sorbet and all insects were coming inside. 90% is clean after your instruction to the concerned department. And Mrs. Prabhuda sir, Hiran sir, and all your cadre, party cadre is continuously that. This is our kitchen. Kitchen? Got it. Yes, okay. And this is our leafy kitchen garden. Razak sir has made the plan. Due to increase in the horsepower, ma'am, the pressure of water is more now. Okay. So due to the scarcity of water, we were only planning little. Then there is increase in the horsepower. Much water is available now. Students are also doing, and these are vegetables, seeds planted, ma'am. No babies.
I can see the growing.
Sorakai, ma'am. And tomato. Sorakai, tomato, brinjal. I have given those lanes to the parents.
Okay.
So whatever is available, tomatoes, what is mostly used is
for every curries and all.
Yeah, ma'am. In sambar we use vegetables.
Yeah.
So we inculcate a habit of eating vegetables properly.
It's good. Vegetables is already good, and you should motivate them.
Yeah, ma'am. And they will also learning how to crop or how to raise the plant, so that they will not waste the food.
I will also come and learn it because I don't know how to do that. So one day definitely I'll come and see.
Honored. Ma'am, this is a new dormitory getting constructed with the help. We raised, ma'am.
Purchase to that.
And that is onions, ma'am.
And that's spinach?
Yeah.
That's my favorite. I can eat kacha also, raw also. Yeah. That is my favorite
And
vegetable.
this is with the help of Deputy Warden ma'am and Mrs. Asha Jyoti ma'am. She is back of students completely for the leafy vegetables.
So she is the main backbone for the garden, I guess.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, you are the blood with the backbone.
Thank you so much.
Seeds also.
ఆల్రెడీ అన్న ఫార్మర్ గా మారారు
అవును
మీరు కూడా
Sir sanctioned 1.5 lakh for its plastering, ma'am.
Okay.
And I'm very happy to have the cooperation.
So this is a dining for all the students.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So this is where they come or they have a here. Okay.
that is the kitchen.
And that's the kitchen.
Yes, ma'am. They'll cook and it will be served here from the next academic year. And ours is the toughest, strongest cooking team here. It is very delicious and
Same food.
it will be delicious and already Razak sir.
यही खा रहे होंगे 3 टाइम खाना
मैम बहुत प्रेशर से खिला रहे सर मना कर रहे पर प्रेशर से खिला रहे सर नमस्ते सर and MPP sir also tasted Rajak also tasted
अभी रेंटेड डॉर्मेटरीज అందుబాటులో ఉన్నాయి
actually the problem is ma'am after upgrading the schools to the intermediate and we are lucky enough to have at least this side to the academic year. I get lots of pressure on the department and the sir said so I free from this side at only 5 days at 1.5 lakh to take it. Ma'am, this space is so shabby and we cannot even come still here, ma'am. It's all due to the cooperation of our village department, Sarpanch Garu, MP Garu and Deputy Ma'am Sriram sir personally has come and stood in the hot sun and made this dining hall. And thanks for your involvement and cooperation.
पहले बारिश तब डाले पर नया लेन का नया लेन का तो पानी का प्रॉब्लम कुछ भी नहीं है यहाँ पे 3 इंच का बोर डाल दिया पहले वो बारिश था
If it is dry, you can do something like this.
Yes.
Yeah.
And some parents
are up and down or whatever it is, the inappropriate way and all, that can be done. Yeah, that can be done when the construction is going on. That issue will be solved. Water issue anyways has been solved. Sir is thinking to give 2 more rooms also. At that construction time, you can do the small things, whatever, repairs and some bathrooms or whatever it is. You can do at the time also. So it will be easy, instead of
deputing so many persons in different times, getting a team at time and
water problem is not solved, so you can have your green vegetables nicely here and no water problem. So
each penny that government is spending on behalf of you will be utilized properly and will be reflected to you in a short time, ma'am.
My pleasure. Thank you so much.
ఇప్పుడు వస్తుంది
మొన్నటి వరకు ఇది కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ వర్క్ నడుస్తుంది మ్యామ్, వాళ్ళు మెటీరియల్ యూజ్ చేసుకుంటాం.
ఇలా చూడు ఖాళీ
ఇది ఆల్ కెమెరాస్ యాక్చువల్లీ దీన్ని మనం ఏం చేయాలి,
सीसी बैठ सकता है
वो कंस्ट्रक्शन होते जब भी ये वो सब एक
स्टॉप कर देते
देना तो एक ही साथ हो
हैं
जाता
स्टॉप कर
प्रॉब्लम नहीं है
प्रॉब्लम
కొంచెం మీద మీద లెవెల్ కన్నా చేయండి మేడం.
మేస్త్రీలు చేస్తున్నారు
లేదు కదా, ఆ టైంలో ఇది కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ అంతా జరిగింది అన్నమాట.
ये मैडम ये तो इसका पाइप था
Students will remember you each day they use water, ma'am. Thanks a lot, ma'am. When I say Jay Aisha ma'am also.
no it should be
Ma'am is great. It is she who understood those problems here. So they were fighting. Now what the children for area. Ma'am, when water is more, we can concentrate on cleaning of washrooms also, ma'am. Many children are also suffering with urinary infections.
I understand,
So
and
all those
obvious है ना, if many people are using it, so you
Ma'am,
have
this is how Razak sir and all sitting here, MPP sir, Sriram sir, throughout the day.
बटन दबा दे इन्होंने ट्राई
ऐसा हो जाए ना
इन्होंने फुल वेट कर अब इतना प्रेशर होता यार तక్కువ నీళ్ళు కాదు 10 ఎకరాల పొలం చూస్తాం పక్కకు
మేడం ఇన్ని రోజులు తక్కువ నీళ్ళు చూసి ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కువ నీళ్ళు చూస్తూ చెప్పింది మొన్న మేడం మంచిగా ఉంటుంది అక్క బటన్
मैडम बटन
सीनन మేడం 1 మినిట్ మేడం
ఒకటేసారి చేస్తున్నా ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ
చాలా ఫోటో మాట్లాడాలి
When you called me, I told you, right? Just take her with when you're going to meet MLA.
Yeah, ma'am. But MPP sir won't tolerate with the mistakes done in any part of the school. He peeps into the kitchen, he checks quality of the food, he checks the behavior of the girls around, and he won't tolerate. Because I'll talk soft, he won't consider the I thank all the village officials, ma'am, the Sarpanch garu, village secretary garu, MPDO garu, and all other cadre also. We continuously supporting us as we
कितने लीटर की है?
2000 ठीक है वॉश हैंड वॉश करने
मैडम आरओ प्लांट ఉండే కదా
లోపల ఉంది. We are not allowing people inside because dining is not there. People eat there, so it's not hygienic. Go to washrooms with these people.
అంతే కదా చెప్పు అన్న అన్న అక్కడ విజిట్ మన మీద అయితే పడే కదా ఇలా పిల్లగా వెనకకు రమ్మని పిల్లగా వెనకకు రమ్మని అందరిని ఇటు చూడమని ఒకసారి ఇటు చూడరు ఫోటో ఫోటో తీస్తున్నా ఇదేంటి
స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ మెటీరియల్స్
and girls Bodhan. Our principal ma'am is B. Suhasini ma'am. Please welcome ma'am. Thank you.
Mr. Aisha ma'am also. Yes, she does.
Good evening, madam. I am Harshita from TSRS and JC Girls Bodhan. Our principal ma'am is B. Suhasini ma'am. Please welcome to our school, ma'am.
Hi, Ashwini. How are you?
Thank you, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good.
Good evening, sir. I am Harshita from TSRS JC Girls Bodhan. Our principal ma'am is B. Suhasini ma'am. Welcome to our school, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, ma'am. Residential School Principal B. Suhasini welcomes you to the unit to the school, ma'am. Honored ma'am. Welcome to the school, ma'am. I'm B. Suhasini, the principal, TSRS JC and Girls Bodhan. Good evening, sir. I'm B. Suhasini. Welcome to the TSRS and JC Girls Bodhan. Honored sir.
Hello. Good evening to you all, dear children. Dear staff members and highly respected chief guest of today's session, Mrs. Ayesha Shakil Garu, and along with her, today's guest of honor. Thank you all. Please be seated.
At second line it consists of 7 syllables. At third line it consists of 5 syllables. I love my dad. In this line it has 5 syllables. He cares me greatly. In this line it consists of 7 syllables. It has it is a three lines of poem. In first line it consists of 5 syllables. At second line it consists of 7 syllables. And third line it consists of 5 syllables. I love my dad. In this line it has 5 syllables. He cares me greatly. In this line, it consists of 7 syllables. And he is in God's place. In third line, it consists of 5 syllables. According to syllables, this poem is titled. Thank you, ma'am.
And PDT, and it is her inspiration. They are also
She is my inspiration. She adds colors to my poems.
That's great.
yeah, they also learn lucid, ma'am, here. Yeah.
Did you have your snacks? I just saw you girls have snacks, wonderful snacks. You didn't even feed me any of the snacks. I was just passing by. I feel so sad. I'm just kidding, okay? So, yes, the school, your principal is a very sticky person, you know the meaning of sticky, right? She always keep on messaging me. She always send me pictures. She always have some other, of course, because she is a second mother, we always say teachers are our second mother, right? After mothers, teachers are our second mothers. So you guys also have to treat your teachers as your second mother and listen to them. If you listen to them, you'll go to a height where no one can touch you. You know, education is very important in your life, no matter what. That education will take you in a higher place where today, tomorrow, you guys can sit there. So education is that important. So I request all of you, and first of all, congratulations to all the state level, whoever is here, first rank, second, third rank. I'm really proud of the students here and the principal and the faculty here who is taking care of you guys so well. I can see the discipline in the line itself. When you guys are sitting, discipline, what discipline the school is following. So that is more important. To see a child, we should see to judge a school, we should see a child how the school is taking care of it. Like the way we say, एक book को देख के, book का cover को देख के, you can find out what the book is exactly. So that's what I can see here, that the discipline is more important in the school which you guys are following. That is a very great thing. Few things your school has, the water problem is already been solved, and few more things MLA sir is going to give 2 more rooms here. At that time, there are few construction, the few, things, repairs are there, like example, your bathrooms or your classrooms or your sleeping room or wherever the dining hall is going very well. The work is going on really good, so you guys can sit in the dining and have food and all. So like that, there are few more things which will be done in maybe a few months or maybe in some days or something like that. Just pray to God, and I request you all to please follow your teachers' rules and regulations and study well. And next time when I come here, I'll come with a lot of gifts. I came empty-handed today, I'm really sorry. Next time definitely I'll come with a lot of love and gifts. And I wish you all the best for your exams, and love you all girls. Please take care of yourself. Thank you.
Okay.
Girls, I used to wear the same color school uniform when I used to go to school. So that reminds me, and this drum, standardies, attention and all. It feels like I am in school now, and I used to use the same school color, the maroon and white, when I used to go to school. जब छोटी थी तो I used to wear skirt, थोड़ा mature हो गए तो then shirt सलवार with the dupatta. So I feel like I'm in school. I'm in my own school. And I'm so touched and blessed. I'm happy to be here. The way they really welcome me and you all girls, I'm really happy. Next time, definitely, whenever I come to Bodhan, I'll definitely come and visit you.
Please come, MPC second year. Please come in a line and can please. MPC second year. Next stop, sir.
మంచిగా
అమ్మా బాబు
నేనే మిస్ మా క్లాస్లో
పోమ్మా నువ్వు మేము ఇస్తాం పో ఫోటో పోమ్మా మేడం పెద్ద మనిషి వెనకకు రాబోయే
బాగుంది
లైట్ మంచిగా ఉంది
బాగా చదవాలి అని చెప్తున్నారు మ్యామ్. మంచిగా సక్సెస్ అవుతారు అని చెప్తున్నారు. కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ లేదు చెప్తున్నారు.
మేడం లైట్ బంద్ చేయమని చెప్పండి.
ఈ లైట్ ఒక్క లైట్
అక్కడ దూరం నుంచి కెమెరా కరెక్ట్ వస్తుంది.
అనోర్ బాయ్
టీఎస్ఆర్ఎస్ అండ్ జేసీ గర్ల్స్ బోధన్ ఎట్ ఎడపల్లి ప్రిన్సిపల్ సుహాసిని నేను థ్యాంక్స్ చేస్తున్నాను మేడం ఆయేషా మేడం గారికి. మా రెసిడెన్షియల్ స్కూల్ సెక్రటరీ గారు శ్రీ సిహెచ్ రమణకుమార్ సార్ ఇన్స్పిరేషన్తో మేమందరం చాలా వర్క్ చేస్తున్నాము, ఇన్స్పైర్డ్ అయి ఉన్నాము. ఈ మోటివేషన్స్ అన్నీ మేము ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయడంలో ఉన్న ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్నీ మనము లోకల్ గ్రామ పంచాయతీ విలేజ్ వాళ్ళకి, ఎంపీపీ గారికి, జెడ్పీటీసీ గారికి, ఎమ్మెల్యే గారి ప్రతి ఒక్కరి దృష్టికి తీసుకెళ్ళాము. అండ్ ఫ్రమ్ అవర్ హోల్ బాటమ్ ఆఫ్ ది హార్ట్ వీ థ్యాంక్ శ్రీ Honorable MLA Sir, Shakil Sir Garu, and Mrs. Shakil, Sri Ayesha Garu, for their kind cooperation in developing the school programs. I thank my district convener Tara Singh Sir Garu and Deputy Secretary Sri C.H. Prasad Sir Garu, who continuously inspiring us and to execute our duties well. And I thank Sri KCR Sir, CM of our state, who is giving much importance for the residential schools and giving education to all the needy children of the state. Thank you all.
नमस्ते। आज स्कूल को गवर्नमेंट स्कूल को आने का, गर्ल्स स्कूल को आने की आज बहुत दिल चाह रहा था और बहुत टाइम से भी सुहासिनी प्रिंसिपल मैडम जो यहाँ के हैं वो बहुत बोल रहे थे कि बच्चों को यहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम्स है कुछ करके, तो एमएलए साहब के पास वो बात जाते ही वाटर का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो चुका है। जो पानी का यहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम था वो सॉल्व हो चुका है और जो झाड़ें जो बड़ी हो गई थी बुशेस वो भी कट चुके हैं। और थोड़े स्कूल का कंस्ट्रक्शन का जो काम है वो एमएलए सर वादा किए हैं कि 2 रूम्स बना के देंगे और इसमें छोटे छोटे माइनर रिपेयर्स जो है उसी के साथ में हो जाएंगे, जैसे वॉशरूम हो या रूम्स हो या फिर कॉरिडोर हो, जो भी हो वो भी काम थोड़े थोड़े हो जाएंगे। धीरे धीरे करके ये भी काम ख़त्म हो जाएंगे। बच्चों को यहाँ पर जो प्रॉब्लम्स थी वो प्रॉब्लम्स मैडम डिस्कस कर रहे थे, तो फिर मैं सर से डिस्कस करी। इमीडिएट सर से बोलते ही यहाँ पर वाटर का प्रॉब्लम ख़त्म हो गया। उसी तरह आगे भी 1-2 प्रॉब्लम्स और है बच्चों को जो यहाँ पर ये लोग फेस कर रहे हैं, वो भी इंशाल्लाह जल्द से जल्द ख़त्म हो जाएंगे। इसी के लिए मैं आज यहाँ स्कूल को आई थी।